Hello everybody, it's Miss Kilbride and we are going to work on solving a story problem. My first step in solving a story problem is to read the problem and circle the important information that I'm finding. Gina has 20 groups of 10 pencils. 137 of the pencils have been sharpened. How many dull pencils does Gina have? As I read through the problem, I know that 20 groups of 10 pencils is important information. I'm going to visualize what that would look like. 20 groups of 10. I see big groups of pencils, 10 in each group, and there's 20 of them. That's a lot of pencils. But 137 of the pencils have been sharpened. So 137 are sharpened. How many dull pencils does she have? Dull pencils? What are dull pencils? Well, if there's a bunch of pencils, some of them are sharpened, and the other ones are still dull. That must mean that they are not sharpened. So Gina in this problem has a whole big bunch of pencils. She's put them in groups of 10. She likes to keep them organized. And she sharpened 137 of them, but not the rest. Our job is to find out how many pencils are not sharpened. Let me think. Before I do that, I need to do something else. What do you think I need to find first? How many pencils there are, probably. So how many pencils are there? She has 20 groups of 10 pencils. 20 groups of 10. If each group is the same, that means it's like multiplication, equal groups. So 20 times 10 equals, I'm going to break this one apart. 20 is 10 and 10. That means I can make two equations. 10 times 10 plus 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. I know that one's super fast. And again, it's 100. 100 plus 100 is what? 200, that's right. So 200 pencils. That's what she has. I'm done. Oh no, wait, that's only how many pencils she has. Now I need to do my second step. So I don't want to circle that one. So I'm not finished yet. That's only the first step to my story problem. Now I need to find out how many are not sharpened. So I know I have 200 total. It's like a missing atom. 137 plus blank equals 200. Here's my sharpened pencils. Here's my dull pencils. This is what I need to find. For this strategy, I need to use my number line. 137 to 200. I'm going to make a first jump of 3, so I can get to 140. Then I can make some bigger jumps. I'm going to go with 30 to make 170, and then 30 more to make 200. So my jumps are 30 plus 30 plus 3, which makes 63. 63 is my final answer. I need to circle my final answer and then use it in a complete sentence. So let's see. My question was, how many dull pencils does Gina have? Gina has 63 dull pencils. And I'm done. Now you need to focus on using your steps to solve the story problem as you see in your picture or your poster, and make sure that you're using them every time you solve a story problem. Keep practicing at home.